Do you have long-term targets, or maybe you're planning to make some in the near future? This video will help you a lot in achieving all those targets very easily if you really follow the points which I'll be sharing in this video. And these are the points which I personally also follow in my life, and to be very honest, I have recently started following them because I knew about them from since really long, but recently I have been committed towards practicing those points and I have already seen the results. So that's why I'm very much confident now to make a video on it, and so that I can share this and you can also get benefit out of it. These points are not something which is very common. These are very unique, but at the same time very relatable and functionable. So without wasting any other time, let's get started with the video, and do watch the video till the end, because trust me, if you are going to make any target, these 3 points will take your target achieving game to next level. And once you achieve those targets with these points, your confidence level will go somewhere else. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Miss Harsha. My name is Harsha. I'm a professional makeup artist and an educator, a fashion, beauty and lifestyle influencer, a makeover, bridal and image consultant, an aromatherapist and a cosmetologist as well. So as I promised with you that in this video I will be sharing 3 really unique points. So let's get started with the point number 1. So the point number 1 is, no matter what kind of target you will be making related to any field or any area of your life, one thing which will really help you stay positive and very enthusiastic is start with whatever you have. Okay, a lot of time I have seen that people wait to make targets because they are like, if I'll get this, then I will do this, and then I'll make a target, and then I'll start to achieve that target and all that. But trust me, that will actually make you wait lifelong, but nothing will get actualized. Okay, and forget about targets. So first thing is, acknowledge what you already have. No matter whatever you have, if you don't have anything, at least be grateful that you are alive and you have a brain, and use it and see what can be done around it and how you can start with whatever you have. Okay, so be grateful for whatever you have and just start it off. Let's get started with point number 2. So the point number 2 is, you have to trick your mind, because when you make long-term targets, you will see that there is a lot of action required, right? So do the action today. So don't plan the entire time. For example, if you have a long-term target which will take around a year or 2 or 5 years or something like that, then what you have to do is, you just have to commit to yourself that you will do the part of work which is required to do today. Okay, don't think about tomorrow. Okay, but what happens is, we think that that I have to do this today, and then for 1 year continuous, then I will achieve the target. Don't think like that. Okay, you do just today. Stay committed and just commit to yourself that okay, I will just the bit which is required today. Whatever is required to do today, I will do it today, and that's it. Then the next day, okay, I'll do it today. Okay, so break your commitments and have a target, a long-term target, but make sure that you are committed today. Okay, this is a very nice trick to trick your mind, because whenever you set a long-term target, immediately you will see that there comes a no from inside, and there are a lot of doubts which pops up, like whether I'll be able to achieve it or not. What if I could not make it, or so many doubts. I don't have to give examples, you already know that, right? So yes, you have to trick your mind and just do whatever is required to do that particular day, and this is how every day will add on and every day counts, and you will never know, like the process will be so easy for you that you will reach the target and you will be like surprised that wow, like it's the thinking thing which creates a lot of trauma and drama into the process. So that is what I always say, and which is also my third point, is stop thinking. Okay, so what we do generally is, we make a target, and in spite of going into action whatever is required at that particular moment, what we do is we start thinking about it. Okay, and in the thinking process we kind of live that part, the action which is required to be done in a physical live mode, we actually live that into our imagination, and that again delays the process, and sometimes it makes you feel it just sucks your energy, because if you are thinking and imagining certain thing, it requires energy. Okay, so if you are not doing things in action, but you are thinking, and while thinking you just imagining that you have already done it, that will also delay the process. And when you are thinking about the target too much and not doing the action which is required, so whenever you will actually start doing action, you will feel like very drained. I guess you can relate, very drained, and you'll feel like I have already done this, and you'll find yourself like kind of getting bored of the same thing, and you will be surprised that I haven't done this before, I'm doing it for the first time, but why I'm feeling like I have already done it? Because you have done that in your imagination. So stop thinking is something which always gets into the way of creation. So whenever you find yourself like daydreaming or thinking or imagining or anything like that, stop immediately, say stop, and just change the entire scene there and just do something immediate. You don't have to do the same thing related to target, but just do something else, but stop thinking at that time. Okay, so this is something which is again really important. So I really hope that these 3 points have been very, very helpful for you, and trust me, if you follow these 3 points, you will see that your targets will feel so easy to you to achieve. You will feel that it's, a lot of drama gets eliminated if you follow these 3 tricks and tips. And I also follow this. I knew about this since really long, but recently I have started doing it, and I'm seeing a lot of difference in my life and in my business as well. So just go about it, don't think about it. And if you're having some kind of difficulties in achieving your targets, again, don't think about that problems. Okay, just see what you can do immediately. Whatever is possible which you can choose and do immediately, that will help you in getting around that problem, not thinking about the problem. Okay, so this was all about this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if you found it helpful, share it with your friends who have made targets and kind of have quitted in between, or have not achieved, or are having difficulty in achieving the targets. So I guess that will be a huge contribution for your friend as well. So if you like the content, do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and also like the video if you really liked it. And at the same time, you can follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle where I share a lot of fashion, beauty, lifestyle related content. And at the same time, from today onwards, this is like 1st November, and from today onwards I will be posting 18 videos every month. The bifurcation is the videos related to makeup and beauty will be going on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. The inspiring videos like this or anything related to knowledge or information kind of video will be going on Sundays, which is today. And at the same time, there will be 2 surprise videos, which is a complete surprise, and I will not be sharing the topic and all. I will be selecting 2 different topics every month, which will not be based on maybe makeup, fashion or anything like that. It can be any random topic. So if you don't want to miss that, and that will be posted at any day, any day. So you have to stay connected for that. So for all the updates about those videos, you can follow me on my Instagram handle, because I will be sharing all the updates on my Instagram story so that you don't miss out on any of my content. So yeah, that was all about this video. I hope that this will be very, very helpful for you, and if it does, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know how was your experience following these tips in setting up your targets and achieving that with ease. So this was all about the video. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful, and do make your targets and achieve it with ease.